Welcome students for the second power presentation of the fifth unit, Nation Building and Challenges to Indian Democracy. So first PPT we seen different components of the nation building, and today's topic is hindrance of the nation building. So in this presentation, we'll see what are the different hindrance which comes in the nation building. Hindrance is nothing but the obstacles or the hurdles. एक उचित देश का, एक विकसित देश का निर्माण करते समय जो भी समस्याएं, कठिनाइयां हैं, बाधाएं हैं, तो वो कौन कौन सी बाधाएं किन स्वरूप में आती है, तो उनके बारे में आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में देखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट हिंड्रेंस, दैट इज पॉवर्टी. इंडिया इज सेकेंड मोस्ट populous country in the world. Large section of our society live in the villages and their major occupation is agriculture. Most of the people found in India, they are farmers. They rely on monsoon, which is quite irregular. So it is said that the Indian agriculture is a gambling with the monsoon, because certain it comes very heavy rainfall, certain it will be like a drought system. So the monsoon is quite irregular. Poverty denies access to good health, sanitization and basic infrastructures. When there is a more population, the people get the scarcity of the food grains, health and hygiene facilities, then infrastructure is very less. So in the poverty, these problems occurs. So this is a hindrance for the nation building. Second one is population explosion. So as per the 2011 census, that proved that India is overpopulated. True, though our resources, it is not properly utilized to strengthen the nation. China being the first populous country in the world, it has utilized its resources, that is a manpower. जिस प्रकार चाइना ने अपनी मानव संसाधन का यानी ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज का जिस तरीके से उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया अपने नेशन को डेवलप कराने में, तो उसी प्रकार का डेवलपमेंट इंडिया नहीं कर पाया. India never used its manpower for the development. Population has led to the unemployment, shortage of shelter and food and other basic amenities. Because of more population, number of the people who are degree holders, they are also jobless now. Unemployment has enriched the climax. Shortage of shelters, less area is there, even shortage of food grains. Number of the people are spending their life on the footpath and roadside, and other basic facilities like food, cloth, shelter, education, health, hygiene, electricity, transport facility, these all amenities are getting less because more population. Third hindrance, that is regional imbalance. Imbalance means कम ज़्यादा होना या फिर बैलेंस न होना, समतोल न रहना. All the regions of country are not evenly developed. This lead to the separatist tendencies that curb national development. Some areas are well developed, whereas other areas are not developed yet. Those remain as a backward. So the problem is created for the nation buildings. Even in the state itself, there are the lots of problem with the some areas. For example, Marathwada and Vidarbha in the Maharashtra, Telangana region in Andhra Pradesh, and Korpat and Kalahandi regions of the Orissa. Not only this, Uttar Kannada area of Karnataka is facing a lots of problem. Even Belgaum area is facing a lots of problem with this kind of regional imbalances. So in the state itself, some areas are they want independent areas. So this creates again the nation building, or it will be a problem for the nation building. Fourth point is social and political disturbance. In India, political and social disturbance have become in recent years become a cause for the recent years for the tension. For example, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Kerala have become communally sensitive states. Yeah, number of the communal revolts will be occur in these kind of states, and these states are declared by the central government as a communally sensitive. जात के नाम पर, धर्म के नाम पर लड़ाई झगड़े, दंगे फसाद ये तो होते ही रहते हैं। तो ऐसे राज्य जिनके कारण राष्ट्र का निर्माण होना असंभव है, ऐसे अनेक से प्रॉब्लम। बस ये कम्युनल रिवोल्ट्स नहीं, कम्युनल क्लैशेस नहीं, ये देर आर many other problems. Likewise, caste conflicts, terrorism, center state and interstate disputes have affected the nation's march towards development. Not only the communal revolts, center and state, for example water dispute is there, for example any boundary dispute is there, sometimes state disputes are there, quarrels are there, terrorism problem is there. So these all social and political problems are obstacles for the nation building. And the fifth point is political crisis. Crisis in means it is a shortfall. Now what are the problems we are facing now? In earlier days, there was a one party which gets the major or the highermost seats in Lok Sabha or in any another elections, but nowadays no political party is getting the majority seats. So for that, or to establish a government, number of the political parties will come together and they will form a government which is known as a coalition. Already in second lesson we've seen coalition means where more than two parties, political parties come together and form the government. So coalition political and emergence of too many parties, regional and secretariat filling have created a political crisis on many occasions. That's why the government is not going to be stable, because of coalition and number of the political parties are there in the country which is well known for the multi-party system. So there is a political crisis or shortfall. Now when there is election, the elections are conducted on the basis of two things. One is money power, second one is muscle power. जो काम पैसे से बनता है वो पैसे से किया जाता है, जो काम पैसों से नहीं बनता तो वहाँ पे पावर यानी मसल्स, ताकत का जोर आजमाया जाता है. So which leads to the growth of the leaders without principles, and it has become for the gainful employment. A person who is not eligible, that kind of persons, criminal minds, criminal persons or uneducated people who don't know read and write, that kind of people will govern us, and that makes a very worse condition of the country. That's why this all hindrance, poverty, population explosion, regional imbalance, social and political disturbance and political crisis are the hindrance or the obstacles for the nation building. Thank you, students.